Hi friends, I am Mustafa. In this video, we will learn how to customize data grid to raw colors. And let me give an example. For example, all of them are white and department accounting. I will change the department according to department changing, the color will change. Alright, for example, sales, save. Now, as you see, if it is the cells, the background color and the text color changing. And also one more example for IT, and this is the changing like this. As you see, rows changing according to department. Now let's go to the Mendix app and let's start the development. Yes, friends, I created a new app in Mendix 10.17. Now I will create a new entity stuff. Just for example, stuff and name, and also I will create an enum attribute department. All right, enumeration. I will select and create department. That's okay. New IT department. Sales department and accounting department. That's okay. Okay, that's enough for me. I will create the page, right click, generate over page. Okay, that's okay. I will go to the stock overview. I will copy this one, just paste the home page. I will delete this one. That's all right. Now I will run this one and I will create new record because there is no record for, and then I will test this one. Okay, let's go to the VWeb. There is, as you see, there is no data, and I will create new records. Mustafa IT, also sales, Mehmet accounting, John sales. Okay, as you see, in data grid, every row is the white. But what will I do now? If the cells, if the department cells, row will be the red, for example, or the different color. Now, firstly, what will where should I change? Right click, inspect, and yes, I will change the TR and TD colors. And now I will go to the styling. Where was it? Yes, here, styling and main CSS. If you want, you can create a new SCSS file, a custom file, but I will go from here. Mm. And also I will share this model with you, so you can find the download link in the description, video description, so you can download it, so you can find the codes. Okay, TR and oh, sorry. Okay. Now I will write the here cells. I will use for this cells and TD. Okay, background color red. I will choose the simple things, and also color. The text color will be the white. Okay. Now this is the four cells, and also I will choose the one of them the IT. IT. That's okay. And change the color blue and white. That's okay. And now let's go to the data grid 2 homepage and click here. Okay, and we will go to the dynamic row class and click edit. Okay, let's write our code. If current object department I will select the enum, and if it is IT, then call IT class. Else, if current object department cells, then called cells class, else blank default class. Okay, let's run and let's see the result. Okay, vweb, yes, as you see, if it is IT, blue, if it is cells, red. Let's change, okay, let's change the department. Okay, it's changing. IT, as you see, it is blue. This is the cells. Now, as you see, it's changing. I hope it is helpful for you. See you next videos. Bye.